All right, guys. So yeah, I took a pre-market trade, and I think I'm just gonna start getting up a little bit earlier to take these because I missed so many opportunities. I'm up 82 cents right now, and I'll be out at VWAP, all out at the 936, which will still leave me with a 20-cent profit on these last shares. But right now, I'm gonna start exiting a little bit. It's coming down a little bit. We'll see what this next candle does. Can it stay up? Can it push? We don't know. But I'm in a safe position right now, pretty safe. We will see. It is 810 and it is working its way down. Needs to get back above this 1001, but I'm gonna start easing out of my position as well. If it can't get going, needs to get back above the 90s. There it is. Time I said it, huh? It's like the stock is listening to me. Needs to hold those 90s and get back above the 10s. But I'm in pretty good position right now. But we will see. Can we get back above those 10s? Looks like we're testing the 10s. Okay, kind of getting hit right there. I'll take a little bit over the 10s if it gets there again. Looking for it to stay in the 90s though. 98. Not looking too hot. Needs to go. 95s. Can we see the 96s? There's a 96. Can we hold it? 96 is up there. Can we hold the 96? Nope. All right, let's go ahead and get ready to um, get out a little bit because it's getting a little weak here. 80 cents of profit is quite a bit anyway, so start exiting a little bit, get down to 50 shares. If it can't hold these 90s, 95s. Got 65 shares left. It's looking for it to get a little bit more of a push, but I don't know. Okay, so we're getting a little push. Can we get through the 10s? I'll take a little bit off through the... I think I'm going to keep this. Oh, back under the 10s. Needs to get through that 10 strong. I'm going to take a little bit off there. 60 shares left. Needs to get through that 10 and push. Struggling here. Taking a little bit more off on that weakness. 50 shares left. In a very good position. Going up right there. 10s all the way back up. Let's see if we can hit $1 profit. Ooh. Double top right there. Took a little bit right there off. We'll be out on VWAP. Just riding it up right now. I don't know what I'm actually up because it doesn't really calculate right in pre-market. See, it says I'm down $113, but that's not true. I'm up quite a bit. All right, let's go ahead and take off there. If it breaks the 90s, I may go ahead and take it all because that double top really, yeah, I'm gonna take everything right there. All right, so let's see what the actual balance is. Up $84 on that trade. Bought in right here on the pop of this 914, rode it up, and then I just got out. So we'll be looking for more entries, but this double top threw me off right there. Top pool, $1.09 in the profit. And then I just kept taking off, but the lowest I took off was that last 70 cents because I didn't want to lose too much. Anyway, that's one trade in the books. Green day today, $84. We'll look for more opportunities, maybe on TAT, maybe on something else. But I think I am going to start going live earlier to do these pre-market trades because my setup works, but I miss a lot not trading pre-market. The news on this stock today was, why is it over here? The news is that TAT signs a maintenance leasing deal with Honeywell. If you don't know who Honeywell is a security company, and they sell home appliances like thermostats, home like security, all that type of stuff. So this company got a deal with them. So I was like, hey, that sounds good. Let's go ahead and look at it. And I ended up, I didn't wake up early enough to get any of this, but I did get in right in here, 914 level right there. I bought 100 shares and took that ride up. It's tried to go down now 3 times. Let's see how much further it can go down before it finds a bottom. Will it hold VWAP? VWAP is at the 940s right now. Very low float stock. Paid me quite well. The first take that I did was this little pop up here. So I got in here with 100 shares. Then the first take I did was up here at the 1030s fours. I took 25 off right there. Had 75 shares left. And I saw weakness, so I started popping off, popping off, popping off. And then you just saw me take the last 45 shares off because that was real weakness. But right now it's kind of consolidating. May give us a new entry point on this consolidation as long as it can hold up VWAP. But we ready. We are ready. 8:16. I don't even know if I get another trade before the bell rings. May get in small for that pop if it does pop up. Looking for new entry levels though. Getting down there to that 9 on the 5-minute. Ooh, I'm glad I sold. Boy, I would have lost all my profit. All right, so we see on the volume candles, we see it ramping down here. 1, 2, 3, 4 ramp down. So we had 3 big ramp ups, 4 ramp downs. We're gonna see if this volume on the sell side can slow down above the VWAP. Can we get any more dippage? All right, there's a little dip down, coming down to the 50, coming down to VWAP, 55s. Man, I'm glad I sold. Boy, this would have made me so mad. But yeah, today is a shorter day and I'm gonna actually have to close up early. I have an event to go to, a very sad event. So I'm gonna have to close down probably about 9:30ish. All right, getting bought up a little bit there. Can we hold the 75s for a quick scalp? 76s. Can we see the 75 sit on the bid here? Quick scalp is looking like it's coming. It can hold the 75s. Let's see. No, it's breaking down the 70s, 69s. I'm gonna let this candle close. I don't want to get faked in. It's just not looking good. It's got about 15 seconds on this candle. Five seconds. Okay. So I'm gonna let this candle also, actually it's 20. So if I let this candle close, it's gonna be over with. I'm gonna get in small, let's say 5 shares for a move up here. Yeah, I do 5 shares here and just do a quick scalp over the top. If it goes red, I'll be out. Looking for a pop over the 80s. Not looking to add, it's looking a little weak. Needs to pop over that 85. There we go. Need to make sure I don't get trapped in here either, because 5 minutes before the bell with Charles Schwab, it closes. You can't take any more trades. So got to get out before that. There we go. A nice little pop. Can we get to the 10s? If it shows me red, I'll be out. Can we touch those 10s? Can we get the 95s here? 91s. There's the 95s. Get ready to pop off some above that 95. Can we get that 95 back up there? I'm going to take some right there on that weakness. If it goes red, I'll be all out. Need to get back above the 90s. Take some right there, slowing down. I wanted to see it pop. It's not giving me that pop I was looking for. Yeah, back out of the 90s. Very small share size because I do not want to risk my money today. Getting all out right there. A lot of weakness. Not gonna play with it. Should have went. Should have went. But now we got a new entry point. This high of the 95 would be the new entry point. So I would say the 96 on the bid. Take a quick scalp. I believe all of those that I just took were green, maybe. Yep, all of those are green. All right, so let's look for another entry point here. We have the 96 is what I want to play off of if we can get it before that 5-minute closeout. Looking like it's going to give us red here. This is why I took small share size, because it feels like the back side of the move. So I was like, look, let me size down. Rule 1 and 2, take quick profits because it's not going to give you a lot. So we have the VWAP down here at the 41. We have a ramping down volume of selling coming into the open. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. I'm starting the day up already, $84.54. So we'll see. I will have to close at 9:30. So that's another thing, another caveat. Or I mean not 9:30 Eastern. It will be 10:30 Eastern. So another hour basically. All right, we're about to open up here. I'm gonna look for small dip buys on this one since it is above VWAP for right now. And when I say small, I mean 5 shares. I'm not only open, I'm not playing those games. I want quick profit and I'll get out and wait for a good entry. All right, so now you'll see this pre-market here change to market closed on this 5 minute watch, and you won't be able to trade anything. You also see your venue. You'll see pre-market go gray if you're using Charles Schwab. So let's watch it happen. 59 just closed there and market closed. So this is how you get trapped. I got trapped one time and I said never again. Never ever again will I get trapped in there. I thought something was wrong with the system, but nope. It happens every day. 5 minutes before, you better have your money out of there, or you better be in a very good position already. All right, let me check my down detector, make sure there's no serious issues over here at Schwab. Nope, no issues. So we are ready to go for the open. This thing's got 6 million shares already traded on it. We're just gonna watch and see. Now my pre-market trades will be on this stream. I was streaming while I was pre-market trading, so if you want to see how I entered or anything like that, it is on the stream. I just wanted to make sure it was recorded because I didn't really know what was going to happen. Let's see what we can get here at the open. One thing I've learned, if you're going to scalp at the open, have a comfortable small share size or you will get baked. Absolutely destroyed. And I'm ready to go, baby. Ready to go. I got $1,600 left. Trying to recoup my account from these last losing days. I made back yesterday's profit loss and a little bit of yesterday I lost 30 bucks. And then the day before that was the bigger loss of 90 bucks. So if I make both of those back, I can end with the green week, really. Or, yeah, really green week, because Monday and Tuesday were green days. Then Wednesday, Thursday were red, and now today's starting off green. Have 3 minutes to the bell. We're waiting. We have, let's see, it got up there to the 1026. It's floating somewhere in this range. I really don't know where until it opens up. We'll see if it can stay green on the day. If it goes red, it'll be off of my scanner and I will not touch it, because if it goes red, it's probably going to break VWAP. I'll wait for it to come back through. If it doesn't come back through by 9:30, oh well. I just walk away with this green. But for right now, it has a bottom here. On the 15 minute, this low is the 955 here. So I'll keep that as a support. 955, maybe it'll check down there. The VWAP is at the 42. So if it breaks that 55 and VWAP, it's going to be a bad sign. And this is an even worse sign because it's already going up. I would like for it to keep fading towards VWAP and it can get an explosion up through the open. So new entry point. Well, it was at 97, but I don't know. It might fake us out. One minute till the bell opens. We're going to see what this thing wants to do. Will it break those pre-market highs up here of the, what is this, 1038, 1037? We will see. Hopefully it makes a move down first though and stays above VWAP. Just bounce off of VWAP. Watching and waiting. 30 seconds left. Let's get it. Move down. Can we stay above VWAP? Can we get green here? Entering there. Oh, I missed it. Cancel that. Or I might be in. I don't know. Hopefully I'm not in. So I think I got in. Oh boy. Well, I don't know. Oh, me and 5 shares, yeah. I sold one, I believe. I don't know, man. Sold all right there. I don't really it was kind of not keeping up, so I may let this first minute play out. That was a very volatile. That's why I got in small, because I was expecting that explosion, that rip out of there. Did not get it, but I did get out. Yeah, it's updating quite slow right now. But it says that I'm out of my position, so hopefully I'm not short right now or long, because that would be horrible. All right, it is going red on the day. This is what we did not want to see. Okay, so it just updated right there. Okay, I like it. Okay, we're looking good now. It's updated. We're good. Let's look for a little bit. Can we get those 10s up there? Taking right there, looking for the push out. 10.010, taking off very quickly. If it shows me red, I'm out. Okay. Adding there. Shows me red, I'm out. Looking for the push. Nice, nice. Oh, yeah. Taking off. Shows me red, I'm out. All out right there. Looking for that continued push. This is why I was playing small share size at the beginning. Nice push though. Almost $1 gain on those, but I did take some losses right there on that exit, I believe. Just a little bit. I don't know how much. 17 cents on that last 5 shares. Wow. So that's a nice mover, but very dangerous. And now it is red on the day. I am still up because I did not risk everything. I lost $3 on that position. This is why I play small at the beginning, because if it were to push up and go into halts, well, that's great for me, but on the downside, you got to manage that risk. All right, so it is down on the day. I got an hour to trade. If anything pops up within an hour, I'll be ready to trade it. Let's check out the SPY real quick. SPY working this, man, this SPY, man, it makes new highs every single day. How? I've been waiting for it to fall so I can trade this right here. VIXY is the stock that I trade when the SPY falls. And when it falls, VIXY shoots up. I traded it on this day right here, made like $2 per share or something like that in there. And then the next day it just went on down because the SPY continued to rise. But you can definitely make some money on the inverse stocks. Back to TAT. TAT took a nice dive down there, which is what I expected. Glad I got out where I did, not holding that little 5 shares, because I'll be down $1 on 5 shares, which is trash. Of course, that's only $5. If I took 50 shares, that would be bad. So we're gonna let this first 10 minutes play out and see if anything else pops up here. Um, 20. Okay, yeah, everything's set good, and we'll continue to watch. Will TAP be able to make a move back up? Has a bottom here of the 839, but that's way away from VWAP. 887, trying to form a bottom here. VWAP is at the 977. Can we get back going there? Or will it continue to dive through the 921? You guys already know the setup. I'm looking for that pullback. Once I get that pullback confirmation, that's pretty much it. That's how I entered down here and made that $84. Got the pullback. Boom. Big move. And then on those scalp trades, I really don't have I really trade within the candles, so I'm trying to make like 5 to 10 cents on the scalp trades, especially if I'm doing bigger size, but definitely 20, 30, 40 cents on a smaller size. Okay. Who wants to bring me to the party now? Had an igniting candle of the 891. We'll see if it bounces off of this 891 level, because that's where I entered or not where I entered, where I was watching earlier. Support 891. Shorts are getting their nice serving of see if it starts to hold that 891, or where will the bottom be? Will it break the 8s, or will it break the 9s? I mean, good morning to everyone that is tuning in. I forgot to say good morning because I started earlier and my mind's gone. But good morning to everyone. Trying to make some money quickly before 10:30. But I definitely got a big chunk of my losses back from this week, so that's good. Let's see. Monday, there. Tuesday. Minus. So if I were to walk away right now, I'll be up $31 on the week, which is absolutely trash, but I had to dig myself out of 2 big days. So if I could find one more good trade, I can probably get up over $100. We'll just have to see. Just not any setups that I'm seeing right now that's willing to pay. But I am green on the week by just a little bit. Almost break even on this week. That's what I was doing, was calculating my wins and losses from Monday to now. So is today a day that I should be walking? This thing is making its way down. Hopefully it consolidates in this area right above that 890. This actually may be a new bottom. $15 of downward movement. I like these little pops. Staying above the previous low. I like it. Probably enter in small share size just to see if I can get a ride up. Just to see. Can it hold over the low of this 912? Can we hold that 912? Looking like we can. See if it breaks that 912. 916s. Taking small share size right here. If it breaks down the 10s, I'll be out. Ooh, BLIN back up there. I'll go and look at that in a moment. Took small share size. I'll be out on the bottom of this. What's the low of this? 905. So a break of the 9, I'll be out on those shares. 899. Let me go over to BLIN real quick. Be out. Out on the if it breaks the 9 there. Now BLN. Wait a minute. Where'd it go? Oh, it wasn't strong enough to hold. Okay. Yeah, it wasn't strong enough to hold on my scanner. Anyway, back over here to TAT. If it'll go. Come on, get me over there. All right, it is pulling up here. I did enter small share size. I'm up 20 cents on those 5 shares. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a ride up or not. Very small share size here. Didn't want to risk everything. Under the 9, I will be out. Getting up to that 50. Nice, up 34 cents. We can break VWAP. That would be great. I was looking for it to do that anyway. Just gonna hold. If it breaks the 9, I'll be out here. Can it hold the 12s? Not looking to re-enter on this weakness. We'll move it up to the no. Wow, it's a nice pop. Getting bought up there a little bit. I think I'm gonna add to this position down here. It continues to do this little pop here. I like it. Needs to stay above though. Can we get the 25s up there? Looking for the 25s to come back into play. 20s, 24s. 24s again. I don't know if I'm gonna add to that one. I'm just gonna let it. It might just have to let it play. Gotta hold the 25s though. Wow, pops everywhere. Uh-oh. Can we get back over my entry price? I'll be looking to go ahead and take off because I'm getting nervous. Can we get back to the 20s so I can take off real quick? Come on, last. Looking like it's gonna stop me. What? Oh, I was about to say it didn't stop me. All right, BLIN back on. Gotta wait for a pullback here. Playing small share size under the VWAP is, not gonna kill me. BLIN. This thing's got to pull back. It's only up 20%. Where am I sitting on the day? I don't want to keep on. Okay, cool. We can definitely make a little bit if BLIN wants to play ball. Going back under the 20s there. And it is very close to the VWAP, so I'm pretty sure it's about to break VWAP here. VWAP is at the 659. Will it get back down there to the 50s? So can it hold up this 650 level here? Good morning, Daniel B. Daniel B, I did take pre-market trades today. Took one, got up 80 bucks on a quick one on TATT. And that's what I was telling the other guy that was sitting in here. I'm probably gonna start opening up earlier so I can get some of those pre-market trades, because I miss out on so much opportunity in pre-market, man. So much opportunity. And this was the actual gain. So on my realized gains and losses, I took $1.10. I took 100 shares, and I took a little bit at the top at $1.10 in profit, and then I just kept taking on weakness on the way down. Then I took some quick scalps on it, but those were on smaller share size, so it didn't really affect me too much. But anyway, right now BLIN is looking like it wants to. You just woke up. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I've been up for a while, but today is a shorter day, so I'm gonna have to cut it because I have to get to a ceremony. It's a sad event, but yeah, today they picked Friday for it, so gotta get to that. And so I'll be closing down at 10:30 Eastern time. So when this hits 10:30, I gotta be gone. That'll be 9:30 my time, 10:30 Eastern. So Daniel B, I'm guessing you never really trade pre-market, huh? You just trade during the regular intraday? Oh yeah, that's why I was trading pre-market, and it was on good news. So TATT actually joined with a company called Honeywell, which is a security company, and they pretty much sell home appliances like your smart home appliances, thermostats, home security systems, home cameras, all that stuff they sell. So that was pretty good news for pre-market, and it was getting plenty of volume. So I was like, all right, let's get it. Oh, you do trade, do trade pre-market. Okay. Today was just a late day waking up, I guess, because it's a holiday, uh, going into a holiday weekend. I guess the good news is I'm green on the week. I was able to dig myself out of those two losing days of the $95 and the $30. Dug out of that, so I am green on the week. Those things, man, they almost capped me out for the week. BLIN needs to secure. Getting back up there to the 50s. Oh, it did bounce off of this high right here. That's what it is. Okay. Let this candle close up. It's got about 4 minutes left on this candle. Look for entries. Got you, got you. That makes sense, man. You gotta, it's something about trading. It's so fun, but it's almost like playing a video game for way too long, and your brain just starts to, you know, kind of fatigue, I guess would be the word. So if you want to be sharp, gotta take some days off. Waiting for this candle to close. On the daily chart, man, this thing, I was trading yesterday and lost on it, and then it wants to wake up this morning and go up after this topping tail here. So that's just crazy. Let me go back to where I was trading it. I traded it right in here. It fell all the way down, and now it leveled out and popped up. And I don't even know if it has news on the day. Bridgeline receives more than 2.5 million in warrant exercises. Okay. Still got a shelf registration. That's why it's been trading so weird. People trading like they're scared of it. Let this candle close. We're almost back above 20%. See if we can catch a little nice run on it. Needs to hold up that 58. Okay. Ooh, hit the 60. Need to stay above that 60. 59s, 56, don't like it. Do not like it. Okay, getting back up there above that 50. Needs to hold above the 59 now. It's fighting a losing battle. May size down a little bit on it. Don't really know what it wants to do. Daniel B says you have to observe properly that some weeks are strong for stocks going up, and for some weeks stocks not moving a lot or declining badly. So everything is about to make is about making correct judgment. Yeah. Well, this week I only had 2 red days, so it was pretty nice. I got some pretty good movers throughout the week. This thing's getting pushed down hard. CUEN and BLIN have been the pain of my existence for this week, though. Those two, man. Just, oh my gosh. Just, I don't know how to explain them. Not only were they choppy, they have shelf registrations, they had good news, but just getting absolutely destroyed by the shorts. CUEN is the other one that I'm talking about. Look at it, still going down. I tried to get in on this one early. It faded, came back up, and now is completely dying. I forgot what the news was. It was pretty good news though. Um, Oh, Wi-Fi 6. They were the first to put in shared Wi-Fi 6 across the world, I guess, a worldwide network of Wi-Fi 6. But right now it does not look like it's receiving any Wi-Fi. TATT. Let's go back over there and see what it's doing. Giving a lot of fakes, trying to hold up that level that I said, but look at that top and tail on the 15 minute. Huge top and tail right there. All right, oh, did y'all Dunkin' Donuts actually opened up this yesterday. IPO'd yesterday. I mean not Dunkin' Donuts, Krispy Kreme donuts. I'm saying Dunkin' Donuts. Krispy Kreme donuts actually opened up. I may actually look to take them while they're so cheap at $20. But I would like to buy a better price. Let's see where it got up to yesterday. It got up to the 21, 22 level. But I don't know, man. It's donuts. I don't know. Yesterday it opened up at the 17, dipped down for just a little bit, and then ripped. I would like to buy lower on the spectrum though. I would like for it to come back down a little bit. I should have been watching it on the open. Could have got this 1855 pop. Ben had let me know about Dunkin' Donuts. I mean not Dunkin' Donuts, Krispy Kreme donuts. I had forgot all about it. We talked about it earlier, like, but he had got some and actually took a little ride up. But I just was totally out of the loop. I haven't been keeping my eyes on IPOs. I probably should more to know what's going on. But I'm looking for a little bit lower price. Can I get it below the $20 level? Yeah. I've traded IPOs before. They put out the like you said, the reference price usually is on either Nasdaq.com or somewhere like that. You can get that reference price and see where it's gonna be. But you can also go and watch the I forgot what website I went to watch. You know when people are buying before the market before the stock is public, when it's like the numbers are moving but you just can't buy. I forgot what it's called though. Um oh my goodness, I'm forgetting. I don't know. Has a little range in here. One Life, what's up, man? Dang B, get your head out of the market. You're on vacation. Hey, One Life, did you get any of Krispy Kreme donut? The D nut? Renaissance Capital? Renaissance Capital. Oh, okay. So it's a website. Renaissance Capital. We make IPO investing easy. Hmm. Do they have like a chart or something? Krispy Kreme. Check out the IPO ETF. Do they have a chart of like, how do you see? Okay, IPO calendar. There we go. Let's see. Oh, you have to pay. All right, let me see. Do I need to sign up? Is this a paid? Is this paid? One Life is Renaissance Capital the IPO expert. Is it a paid service? Not looking at charts. I feel that. Stay safe. One Life. I am green on the day. I did get green on the day in pre-market. You're shaking here in your room. Well, you sound like a junkie. All right, Mind is trying to make some moves. I like it. I'll try like let's try 50 shares for a scalp or 100. Actually, this is a $2 stock. 100 shares for a scalp. Gonna take that. Let's see if it can get any more motion. The low here is a 225. 224. I'll be out. Hey. So I'll sell down here. We'll see if we can get a push out. If not, it's whatever. Can we get a push out on 100 shares? 2. Can we get the 40s? Can we get those 40s in there? Nice. Taking 25 up there. Taking 25 more, left with 50. Very small little mover. Don't want to give it too much room. It breaks that 40. I'm going to be, yeah, taking 25 more, left with 25. Getting all out. Whatever. So it kind of went, but didn't go a lot. So it kind of spooked me. Oh boy. All right, let's see if we can enter again. Can we get those 41s up there? Can it give us red here for a pullback? That was just a quick scalp, 100 shares. Nice. Can we hold up? All right. I don't even know what the news is on this, and I didn't do any research. I literally just scalped it and went on about my business. Let's go and look at MIND. 12.14 in the float. $12.97. No shelf registrations. 12 million in the float. It's quite off of its float though. Daniel B. Let's read what he's saying. Let's see. Remember IPOs. Daniel B. Get your head. Okay, hi online. Good morning. I'm not trading today. Long weekend. Good morning. Just checking in. All right, so I'm gonna jump and say hello to the retards room just to stir the waters a little bit for them. Daniel B, did you go to P13? What is P13? No online yesterday. We changed plan and we go to High Roller Ferris wheel. But today I am going there. Gotcha. All right, where are we sitting right now? 21 in. Looking like I can take another scalp here if it can hold up for this minute. Looking for this candle to close. Will we break down to 229s? It's close. Two minutes left on this candle. See if we can get any more action upward. It is a spiker. Bouncing again on the 30s. Can we hold up the 30s? May get a push through the 30s here to the 20s. Yep, pushing down. Got through there a little bit. Only gave me time for a quick little scalp and then out. Nice, nice, nice. Let's see if this thing can challenge that VWAP. Start making its way back up. It did end up holding up that 91 that I had marked earlier, but it's still in a downward trend, so I don't trust it just yet. Got 20 minutes left on the stream, and then I'm cutting it. Guess I could play it small here. Use this out, this 896 as an out, like I tried to do the first time. Right there. 898. But we'll have to see what this one wants to do. Will it show us red here through the 20s? Yep. Will it hold up to 898? Looking real heavy here. SQBG, 1 million in the float, moving up there. Okay. What's the news on it? Very low volume. May have to wait for it to pull back. Has the 200 moving average up here at the 14, but it really has no reason to go up to the 14. Has some resistance at the 310s. 310 level. We're waiting on a pullback. The pullback may be larger than expected with this low volume. Touched that 1173. Looks like the point where it was finding resistance there. Looking for a dip. Can it give us some red above VWAP? Let's go check out Mind. Mind is doing its thing as well. Has not given us a pullback above VWAP yet, so both of these got to give me a pullback above VWAP. Why are you calling me? And all right, to where are we now? Can we get a pullback on one of these? It is trying to hold up. This bar is the 1050. Let's see if it can be a sporadic stock and get through that 1050. Shares. Giving us a nice pullback there. Let's see if it breaks down. So it gapped up from the 992, which is that support level. Still has not given us a pullback on this one. This one may be a sporadic stock. The top of this high is 1101. 1101. Take very small share size there if it wants to get crazy. But it's not holding up that I might take even smaller share size because it's not holding up the VWAP. Mind getting pumped down a little bit. Needs to hold up that 1045. It's got 1 minute left on this candle. Can we get the 55s there? $55s. We can start holding those 55s. I'll be interested there. Entered a little bit. Can we get the 55s? 55s. Anything above 55s, I add a little bit more. Not seeing it yet though. 55s, can we see it? Add it there. 56s. This low will be my out. Low of the, what is this? Low of the 1010. Adding there, 15 shares in. Love to see a pop here. Have to get out down here, 10-10. 15 shares. 15 shares at the 10-10. What can we get here? Can we get crazy? Oh, I got in 20 shares. Can we get a pop through the 11s? Nice. How far can we go with this low float? The out right now is a low of the 1063, 1060s, 1059. Have to be my out. 20 shares. It's looking for a little bit more, but I don't know if it can. It's gonna have to get through that 11 and start getting bought up. Can we see the 1101? Okay, nice. Nice, 50 cents. What else can we get? Can we get a blessing today? There we go. Can we get even more of a blessing? Can we pop through this top of the high of the 57? Low is 62 right now. 59. Can we get that pop? Below that 25, I'll probably be looking to take off a little bit because I don't really know what it wants to do. Okay. Can we get up and get going to the 40s? Okay, nice. 43s. Can we pop out here? Nice. 85 cents. Can we pop even more? Taking some profit up here at the top. Can you pop more? 85s. Taking some profit there. $1 to the profit. Taking at the 12. $12.03 taking. Think we just got halted, I believe. Yep. All right, whatever. We'll let that live. I am up $110 on that move. I have 11 shares left, and I'll be looking for exits. I'm up $1.28 there, but we're gonna make it. Did I even do any research on this? I think I just traded this one. SQBG. Let's go look at what this is. SQBG. 1.1 million in the float. BG. Now I'm definitely green on the week. Okay. All right, no shelf registrations on this one. So we'll see how it wants to fly. Very low volume, but I was okay with trading it. Had a nice setup, so I've missed these before, and I'm tired of missing them. I'm gonna take the opportunity when I see it. Got to be a little bit more aggressive. We'll see where this opens up. Look to take that profit real quick. Look for more entries, of course. I have 6 minutes. Oh man, I'm gonna have to close this thing down. I'm gonna take profit and then close this thing down because I literally have to get ready to go. But as of right now, we're back up to where we are, where we need to be on the week. Let me see what time this thing halted. I do not have time for halts today. 7:02, 10:23, 14. So it's supposed to be opened up at 10:28, 14. 3 minutes. Man, I got to get out of here, man. We'll see. Try not to rush the trade. Try to let it play out, but of course it's already a good day. Got about 2 minutes left. $28.14. Let's see what we can get. Can we get a splash up? All right, here we go. Taking off there. Taking off a little bit more. All right, we're all out there. Let's see if we can get above those 70s. That was a lower open, so looking for the 70s back in there. Can we get a sporadic stock here? 71, can we get it? Nope. All right, well, close up the day 106. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have to get going. If you're gonna continue trading, please be very, very careful. Finishing up today on 106. Definitely got all of my red back for the day, or for the week, and ending the week green. So nice going into a long weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.